In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So let's get started with the tutorial right away. So if you want to be able to archive and unarchive Instagram posts, you need to have your account either as a business or creator account. If you have one of those enabled already, then you can skip this step. But if your profile is a personal profile, then let's switch your account type. You want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then go to your settings. When you open the settings page, you want to click on the account option, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see either a switch to a business account or a creator account. Click on that button and go through the steps of switching your personal Instagram account to a creator or business one. When you do that, you will be able to archive and unarchive posts. The way that we do that is to go to our Instagram profile and find a photo which you want to archive. I'm gonna archive this one right here. So when you open the post, tap on the three dots right here, and then a menu will pop up with a bunch of different options. And the first button will be an archive button. Select that when you want to archive your post. The post will be archived, it will be hidden from your profile, but it won't be deleted. You can unarchive it at any time. And when you want to unarchive it, then you need to click on the three lines again, and you will see an archive button, so tap on that. This will open your Instagram archive. This is where all of your posts and archive stories will be. If you're on the stories page, then click here and switch to posts archive. Here are all the posts which I've archived. And what I want to do is to open a photo and then click on the three dots, show on profile, and that's how you can unarchive a post. When I go back to my profile, the photos will be visible again. And that's how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. If this video was helpful to you, then leave a comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.